Hi all, I'm Dr. Sneha Deshpande, working as a senior consultant at Mom Story. So let's discuss about UTI or urinary tract infection today. So it is very common, so common as 1 out of 2 female can suffer from UTI in her lifetime. So how it presents? UTI can present like increased frequency of urination, sometimes pain while passing urine. It can be throughout urination, or if it is affecting urinary bladder, it can be at the end of urination. Urge to pass urine can lead to dribbling, that means loss of control on passing urine. Sometimes hesitancy means even if she is getting desire to pass, she is not able to pass urine properly. Sometimes there can be blood in urine or pus in urine. It can present with fever or chills if it is severe. If it is affecting kidneys, it can give rise to low backache and sometimes fever and septicemia. So we should take UTI seriously and should know about it. What are the causative factors for UTI, how we diagnose UTI, and how we can prevent UTI. So let's discuss that. So, who is prone to develop UTI? Every sexually active female is prone to develop UTI. If you are using common toilets, if you are holding urine for longer duration, if not able to hydrate yourself, you are prone to develop UTI. Certain medical conditions like diabetes, which is uncontrolled, if you have undergone recent kidney or urological surgeries, some neurological conditions where you are not able to sense fullness of bladder can give rise to urinary infections because of stagnation of urine. So how we diagnose urinary infection? So basically when patients come with urinary symptoms, what we ask them to go ahead with first and most important urine routine and culture sensitivity testing. Urine routine will just help us to know whether she is having urinary infection, because are there pus cells, are there proteins in her urine, are there plenty of epithelial cells or any abnormal blood in the urine. So we see that, but culture will guide us whether to start her on antibiotics or not. Urinary culture usually takes 4 days for its report to come, which will give us idea about which bacteria is causative for urinary infection, and we know about sensitivity of that bacteria with antibiotics, and we start that antibiotic to treat infection. But blindly starting antibiotic is not advisable, because antibiotics are life-saving drugs and we should use them cautiously. If we start antibiotics, we should complete the course of antibiotic. Why? Because if we take incomplete treatment, so next time you may get resistant UTI, and to avoid that, proper treatment is important. So this is like how we treat infection. So let's discuss how can we prevent UTI. So foremost important is hydration. Having plenty of liquids in the form of water, coconut water, buttermilk, any form of liquid which will act as a flushing system. It won't allow bacteria to remain stagnant in your urinary system, and so that you won't get urinary infection. So if you are using common toilets, take care of hygiene. While sitting on commode, you should take care of hygiene. Before and after sexual activity, washing private part plays important role. Using condoms to prevent urinary infection as well as sexually transmitted diseases. While washing that area, take care that wash from front to back so as to avoid contamination from fecal or vaginal fluids. If you have undergone urinary surgeries frequently, then catheter should not be there for longer duration. It is one of the causative factor for frequent UTI. So these are all things which we can do to prevent frequent urinary infections. If you have further questions regarding this, feel free to discuss with us at Mom Story. Thank you.